Through all the days and seasons, there's no place like home. Sharing our story, one day at a time for you to see. Walk through a new world, where every memory is gold. Come break up our sleep, hope you're ready to see. Join us for the fun before the whole day is done.
Hi Madness fam, welcome back to another cooking video. In this one I'll be showing you how I make my whiting fish, well, fried whiting fish. So yeah, hope you enjoy. First I add in my garlic powder. I then flip them over after I add my garlic powder on all of my pieces of fish. You can use fresh fish, frozen fish, it doesn't really matter. I'm using a frozen whiting fish. I took the skin off and then now I'm putting garlic on the back parts of them. Baby Bug's like watching me cook. I like her watching me cook because it helps her want to eat more. So that's a little fun tip for parents with picky toddlers. If they don't like to eat, have them helping you or watching you so they could get that appetite. Now I am putting adobo, and I'll do the same thing I did with the garlic. I flip them and put adobo on the other side as well. After my fish was all seasoned, I then put flour, all-purpose flour, in my bowl. I seasoned it with pepper and some garlic powder and I mixed it around. Then I dip my fish in it and coat it with the flour before I fry it. Remember to heat up your oil while you're doing this step. Oh, and don't forget to flip the fish to make sure both sides are coated with the flour. I use olive oil, not canola oil. I add my fish in with tongs because my oil is hot. If you're not part of the Madness fam, make sure you smash that subscribe button and become part of the Madness fam. And if you haven't liked the video on the way in, make sure you like it on the way out. And please share the video to your mama, to your daddy, to your sister, to your brother, to your auntie, to a friend of a friend. Even if you don't like them, don't matter, share it out. It helps. I fried my whiting fish for 5 minutes and then I flipped to fry the other side for a remaining of 5 minutes. That makes it really nice, crispy and flaky on the inside. I made 2 different types of rice, Spanish rice and chicken rice. If you would like a video about that, comment that down below and I will make a video on how I make my 2 separate rice. It was really good. The chicken rice tastes like, you know the cup of noodles, the Uru noodles chicken? It tastes like that. The Spanish rice was amazing. I found this awesome recipe online. Oh, it was so amazing. The outside of the fish was nice and crispy brown and the inside was nice white and flaky soft. It was so good. 10 out of 10. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.